What's up guys, I'm back again with another projector, and this time we'll be checking out the Apollo P20 from Ultimea. So without any further ado, let's get into it. On top, you'll find the Ultimea logo as well as the control buttons, keystone correction and focus ring. And on the back, you'll find the speakers and an IR receiver with another one on the front as well as the lens. And on one side, you'll find the power input, and on the other, you'll find two HDMI inputs, headphone jack, an AV input and two USB inputs for playing back content or even powering a smart streaming device. In the box, you'll find a quick start guide, an HDMI cable, the remote control, an AV cable, and the power plug. You also get a cloth for cleaning the lens and a screw-in adjustable stand to help with installation. Now this was unboxed, it was time to test it out in my living room setup. The menu system was easy to navigate. It was no problem at all to find all the settings that are needed, such as picture mode, where you can choose between vivid, standard, soft or user. You can also change the sound settings between standard, music, movie, sports or user. The P20 has an impressive built-in 3-watt speaker, but is also Bluetooth, so you can easily connect to an external speaker if needed. Once I was set up, I connected a Fire Stick and went on the search for some movies to test the P20 out. With my main living room light on, the P20's 300 ANSI Lumens still gave me a good picture, but with all the lights off, this native 1080p projector really comes to life. I found the picture to be very detailed, bright, and for a budget-friendly projector, the colours were vivid and made for a great experience enjoying movies and watching TV. Now I tested this out inside, the next thing was to see how it gets on using my outdoor movie setup. Being outside, you'll never get as good image as being in a light-controlled environment, but I thought the P20 did a great job producing a clear and very watchable picture. Overall, I was pleasantly surprised, and I hope to be enjoying family movie nights in the upcoming evenings. So if you're on the lookout for a budget-friendly projector, then definitely check this out. At the time of recording, the P20 is selling for only $120 or £97 in the UK, but if you use the link in the description and the special code AutomatedDad25 to get an excellent extra 25% off. A big thank you to Ultimea for sending out their Apollo P20 portable projector, and as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.